Happy Valentine's Day. I know you're waiting for me to talk about chocolate, because every year I talk about the benefits of chocolate and I give you some really cool recipe, which those recipes are still on my website. But I'm actually going to talk about something different today. So instead of chocolate, I thought that I would actually do something a little different and introduce beets. Okay, so I know it doesn't sound like a lot of fun for Valentine's Day, but I promise you're gonna like this. So our corporate Chef Honor Harvey, came up with something that is just wonderful. She calls it a Heartbeet Smoothie, B-E-E-T. It's beautiful. It's like this bright red color. It's gorgeous and it tastes so good. So I thought that would be the perfect thing for Valentine's Day this year because beets are amazing. They're so good for you. There are so many benefits. Not only do they increase blood flow, they're great for your brain, they support detoxification, loaded with antioxidants, so they help to fight cancer. They have so many benefits and they taste great. So they might have a little bit of a strong flavor by themselves, but when you put them in a recipe, they're really actually quite delicious. So the Heartbeet Smoothie, you can be found on my website at tanaamen.com. And one of the things in the smoothie, just FYI, is protein powder. So we would prefer you use a plant-based, sugar-free protein powder. If you've got a great one that you use, that's fantastic. If not, then try ours out. Of course, I'm biased because I helped to create this protein powder. It's amazing. It's not only plant-based, it is sweetened with stevia, which it actually tastes really mild as long as you are not sensitive to stevia. It's a fantastic sweetener. It also has all of the amino acids. So if you are vegan, branched chain amino acids. So if you are vegan, this is very helpful. It's got digestive enzymes and it's got added fiber. So it's a pretty amazing, very clean, plant-based protein powder that we really love. And just in case you really have to have your chocolate, on Valentine's Day, it also comes in chocolate. So that's my chocolate offer for Valentine's Day. But if you go to tanaamen.com, you will also find my favorite dessert, which is Nutty Butter Cups. That is a 2-ingredient recipe that you can easily make for someone you really care about on Valentine's Day. Super simple. And if you're just jonesing for that chocolate, that is my gift to you as well. So happy Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoy.